What's up, YouTube? It's Luke here, hanging out with my girlfriend today. Yeah, basically we're going to hang out. I'm next to this rushing river. It's Limpy Creek, actually, is what it's called. It's a trail that I kind of just looked up and I wanted to see. It looks really awesome, looked beautiful. I figured it'd be really cool to be in here and hang out with my girlfriend hiking. So yeah, we're gonna get some cool shots and some cool stuff for you guys, and yeah, we'll be back. Fairly nice wood. I brought it out. Creek looks absolutely beautiful. You know, this isn't even the cool part yet, so we'll get there.
Let's go. Just kidding, tube you. I got you, YouTube. We're walking back down the trail. We just went left here. You guys probably noticed it from this angle. We're taking a right because left went nowhere. Star Wars! That had nothing to do with Star Wars. Alright, guys. We've come to a double creek. It's flowing down the trail, right? Oh, just kidding, it's flowing down this trail too. It's actually pretty neat. I really like this. It's kind of wet. It's kind of, you know, what would you call it, a winterish trail right now, but that's cool. Oh, here we go. We got a broken tree. See, I have a feeling we got here before most people, because I'm not like most people, and one, I kind of like to just be by myself or with her, and two, or with family and friends, but two, I also just really like hiking and going on like trips and stuff like that. And this seems like a really cool one, you know, and it's going to be better in the summer when it's all cleaned up and there's 20 people here every day, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, here's a broken tree. We're getting to like this kind of, yeah, like this meadowy, foresty looking area. Very beautiful out here. I mean, very beautiful. We're in, kind of like southern Oregon, middle Oregon, more of a southern Oregon though, and we're in Grants Pass, kind of south of Medford. I'd say it's more like a little bit southeast, I think. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, we were at Limpy Creek. I told you guys that earlier, and this place is amazing. And it's only like 15-20 miles from my house, so you know, I've lived here for 6 years, almost 7 years, and I've never even known about this place. It's quite beautiful, in fact. So yeah. Yeah, looks like we're actually starting to get up to some really cool stuff over here. I hear crazy waterfalls. Check this out. We're gonna go look at the dam down here. I'm gonna try and be careful not to disturb like anything at all, because I don't want to ruin anything's natural habitat for bugs, any critters, animals. But look at this. This is pretty neat. So yeah, I just gotta take a quick video pan to this, and I'll probably do a couple of pictures, maybe put one on my computer screen or something like that, maybe photo crop one out. This is really beautiful right now. Alright YouTube, I already soaked my foot, it's completely wet, but my right sock is good. That's why I brought an extra pair of socks though. Yeah, I want to do this super awesome shot. It's kind of like a little video. I'm going to do a pan, probably do a couple pictures because this is beautiful. Check this out. Sorry, I know that may have been like a little bit blurry for you guys, so I'm going to try and get a better view of that. Alright YouTube, so we're going to try and get a better view of that without so many like water streaks, I guess. Something that you really just can't capture without a camera. And of course the naked eye. You guys are about to go down asunder. Try and go ahead and see what's behind the waterfall. Sorry YouTube, it's kind of hard to hold this in a waterfall. I hope you guys caught some of that because it looks so crazy from out here. Alright, so I'm going to lower you guys down and hopefully this gets a really beautiful shot right now. got these super yummy chocolate dipped strawberries over at this market next to my house. And this is what they look like. They actually look really nice. So. Bam! About to munch on some of those. Oh wow. Better than I thought. I'm gonna go back and get chocolate dipped pineapples. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more awesome scenic shots. So this right here, sorry some water droplets on the screen. I figured I had to let you guys check this out because it looks so cool. It's literally like a natural little whirlpool just kind of rushing down. Yeah, Cass right now is trying to grab onto that branch. As you can tell, it's not working out. She's almost fell 3 times. So, it's very slippery over here. Very slippery. I'm gonna show you guys over here under the bridge. Wow, it's just something really neat to look at. My girlfriend just found a pink rose, and I'm gonna get it for her. I guess she wants to videotape it. Alright YouTube, I think those are all the shots we're going to do for the day. Super awesome, I really liked it. I had a fun time talking to you guys, honestly. It's a blast every time I get on YouTube and just kind of let it load off my chest, you know, and in a way it's really calming. I don't know if you guys watched John Hill's channel. Shout out to John Hill though, he's a super awesome skater. Really outgoing guy, super happy all the time. Seems like he's really, really nice. And like all around a really cool dude. And yeah, if I, ever had something to, I guess, offer him, I would really like to skate with him sometime, you know. I'm not talking like, offer him money, but just something in general, even, I can't even think of anything, but yeah, it would be super awesome. Anyway, shout out to John Hill from Force Wheels. I think he's sponsored by Get a Grip, Grip Tape, and Blue Tile Skate Company or Skate Shop. Don't quote me on that last one, I don't remember. But no, he's super awesome. And shout out to Revive, who also is like kind of the owner of Force Wheels. They're super awesome. All the, Andy Schrock guy, Brian Ames, Thomas Alvarez, Johnny Geiger, Black Ninja, even though he's not really like on the Revive team, he still kind of like seems like he's part of the crew. You know what I mean? He hangs out with them, he skateboards and everything. So yeah, big shout out to those guys. They make my day 10 times better and make it way happier. And they really make me want to go skate. So yeah, thank you guys. And don't subscribe to me unless you really want to. But what I will ask you to do this time is go to all those guys that I just talked about and just check out some of their videos maybe. And if you like them, subscribe, like, and comment, because they are super awesome guys and they'll love the support as much as I do. So thank you guys, and I'll be back to you soon. Alright, peace.